Good morning from Sandusky, Ohio. Today we are at Cedar Point, and it is opening day. I haven't seen a single coaster test yet, which, I mean, is a little alarming. Hopefully they're gonna start opening them up soon. It looks like they got a new The Boardwalk sign right in front of Gatekeeper. And there it is, Cedar Point Grand Pavilion, the two moved rides repainted, and the new Zamperla Spinning Wild Mouse. I gotta say, it is not quite the same without Wicked Twister here. It just isn't. But this new refreshed area looks really nice. Fresh beds of mulch. Look at that. I love it. Right now, I am standing in front of Wild Mouse, and they have no plans to open today. How fun is that? Currently, Zamperla is actually here working on some ride maintenance. Really funny how they couldn't get this ride open for opening day. It's a Wild Mouse. I mean, it's better than Six Flags opening it like halfway through the year, but come on. And look who is joining us today. This is the new location for Matterhorn, right in front of Wild Mouse. Look at that. Wow. This is a pretty good shot of Wild Mouse. Honestly, looks like a pretty fun ride, I will admit. I am excited to ride this. Maybe not as excited as I should be for a new Cedar Point roller coaster, but still. Well, there it is, the one and only Top Thrill Dragster, which a lot of people thought was done. But guess what? A massive ride footer and another massive ride footer. And I believe there's like some triangle cutout, which is a giant footer for what is hopefully going to be a vertical spike. Not a whole lot of interesting things going on back here. Got a lot of Great Lakes Construction Company stickers, whatever that means, but I don't see any Intamin stuff. There is a giant crane. Not really sure what they're using that for, but I don't know. We'll see as this ride progressively grows throughout the year, I guess. It looks like the whole brake track is all ripped up, which I think is where the sensor flew off. So they're probably just, to be safe, replacing all of it. Came back into Frontier Town. Steel Vengeance is testing. Not open yet. Maverick is not open, nor is it testing. It does still have the water test dummies on it right now, so I doubt it's gonna open anytime soon, maybe in the next hour or so. But yeah, just happy to be here in front of Steel Vengeance, the best roller coaster of all time, besides Velocicoaster and I-305. Well, here's the remnants of Chick-fil-A. It is now handcrafted burgers, pizza, and chicken. A very basic theme park restaurant, but it's all right. We'll have to give this one a try sometime. They did have a vegetarian eats place that actually closed, and it is now Watkins Horse and Hatchery, although I don't ever remember the vegetarian place being open. So hopefully this emu eggs by the dozen and emu wingdings is gonna be open. There goes Millennium Forceless. Pretty excited to ride this. And there's the donkey back there. A couple of them. There's a little baby. They didn't turn it on yet. First coaster of the day, Millennium Force. Estimated wait is 30 minutes right now. I feel like it's gonna be closer to an hour, but who knows? Millennium Force was roughly 45 minutes. Not too bad for this great Giga coaster, although it was definitely running slow today. I could feel it. You know, there wasn't a whole lot of airtime. It was definitely Millennium Forceless, but still a fun coaster nonetheless. What do you think of that?
It was amazing.
Amazing, yeah. Estimated standby is 45 minutes for Valraven. Well, just got off of Valraven, got the front row, and I have to say, I feel like that ride was better than the ride I got on Millennium Force earlier. Now, I'm not saying that this is a better ride because, you know, I'm not a GP, but this might be a better coaster than Millennium Force. Let the hate comments roll in. Well, it looks like Wild Mouse is actually testing now, which hopefully is a good sign that it's gonna reopen. Or, well, not reopen, but open in general. Well, we're gonna take a stop at the Boardwalk Pavilion, restaurant and bar. This opened today for the first time. This is the first floor, looks pretty busy. Gonna go take a look at the food options that they got. Well, I got an awesome view of Wild Mouse, Lake Erie, and this is what I decided to get is the cold ramen noodle salad. This is $7.99. It was $6.50 with the season pass discount. And yeah, maybe not the best way to spend $7, but you know, it wasn't that bad. I'd probably give it like a 5.5 or a 6. But $7 makes it like a 2. Really not worth that price. But you're at Cedar Point. He didn't get anything. He's too cheap.
No.
Next ride of the day, Magnum XL 200. Magnum is such a fun old aerodynamics hypercoaster. Definitely one of my favorites in the park. For sure, top 5. And I don't know, just it's a classic, and the airtime hills at the end are awesome. So yeah. Well, here it is. Steel Vengeance. It is an estimated 2-hour-long wait. Let's go get in line. Steel Vengeance was fantastic as usual. Easily one of the best roller coasters ever created. Well, that's gonna do it here from Cedar Point opening day. Decided to record the intro in the car because it is extremely windy and cold, and it's about to rain. But thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed our day.